Our up-mounted ADA overhead has a left and right cantilever. The left-hand cantilever bracket flares to the left, while the right-hand cantilever bracket flares to the right. Loosen the bottom nuts, and once the cantilevers are installed, place the overhead on top and tighten the nuts. Once installed, inspect the door operation. The door should raise automatically once opened about 3.5 to 4 inches. Adjust the spring if needed. The covers have 2 tabs at the top. Insert the cover at an angle and lightly press it in.